Hello, welcome to my presentation on website navigation and information sent. My name is Christina Carde. I'm a digital marketing master's student with Full Sail University, and this presentation is going to be specifically on the I Love Kickboxing website. So what's going to be covered in this presentation is going to be the different navigation links on the I Love Kickboxing site, what works with these links, what doesn't, and what would need to be done in order to fix any issues that the site may have in regards to navigation and information sent. So when you go to the I Love Kickboxing homepage, this is the first thing that you're going to see. The tagline, strong looks awesome on your body. And up in the upper right-hand corner, you have studios and why it works, referring to the product. So those are really the only two navigation sites in the bar there. It's really simple. Not a whole lot going on as far as navigation links. Towards the bottom of the page, you have a few more things. You have a little bit about the I Love Kickboxing culture, workout technology that they provide, and more information about the actual workout. So these are some more links at the bottom of the page to give you some more information about the product. When you go to Studios in the upper right hand corner of the home page, this is the first thing that's going to come up. It says find a location. And basically that's pretty much it. You just type in the local studio that you're looking for. Doesn't give you the option for a zip code. If you type in the zip code, it's not going to do anything. You have to type in the actual city and state where you're looking for your kickboxing studio. Once you type in the city and state, in this case I did Winter Park, Florida, this is what it'll give you. It'll give you the location of the studio, the information for the studio details, and then you click on the studio details and it'll give you specific information about that studio that you're looking for. So basically the parent page has the option right there on the home page to click on the studio that you're looking for, and then you can go from there to find your local studio. The other navigation link in the upper right hand corner, why it works. This is what you'll see when you click on why it works. And it's basically a video discussing the product, what's wrong with most workouts, and how can we fix it. So it's about a 1.5-minute video discussing the product, discussing what I Love Kickboxing does as far as the workouts in the studio, a little bit about instructor interaction and camaraderie within the studio. So that's the first thing that you'll see. Towards the bottom of the page, we've got some other things. We've got success stories, what they've discovered about workouts and why traditional workouts or regular gyms don't work, and a little bit about what you'll discover as a member of the I Love Kickboxing gym. So this is towards the bottom of the Why It Works page. So like I said, very simple. Only a couple navigation sites on the parent page. Basically, the goal is trying to get you to your local studio, trying to get you to your individual studios. That's the goal of the parent page. So the simple and easy navigation, it works. You click on it, you're able to find, what studio is in your local area. If you want good product information, that is available through the Why It Works and the various other links at the bottom of the homepage that gives you information about why the product works. And there is good information on the product and the workouts. There's a clean look to the page. It's not really busy. There's not a lot going on. Not a ton of things to click on as far as salesy stuff or promotions trying to lead you to something. We know that's a big no-no when it comes to information sent and navigation. So that's what the website has working for it. Is it's pretty easy, good information, clean look. Now, there are a few things that I found that don't particularly work with the navigation and information sent. When we're talking about information sent, the article from the Nielsen Norman Group basically stated that you want to make sure that people want to make sure they're in the right place when they're looking for information. So if they're looking for something specific on a website and they don't find it, chances are they may go elsewhere if they don't find what they're looking for. So with the I Love Kickboxing website, the Find Your Studio button is a little bit repetitive. It's like on every single page that you click on. So, and it's right there front and center. So if a user really isn't looking for that right away, if they're trying to do some more research, that may throw them off a bit. There is an actual glitch with the video on the Why It Works page. If you want to refresh the video to maybe go back and see something that you missed when you watched it the first time, when you click the button to refresh, it doesn't work. So that's a glitch that might turn someone off if they're, big on usability and things working right. And overall, the site just might play it a little bit too safe. One of the big things that we had discussed in previous classes is the niche focus in your product and what makes you unique. And the I Love Kickboxing brand does have a lot of unique components to it, but they're not really featured on the parent site. So if a user is looking for something specific, like an overall health or wellness plan, different events so they can, interact more with their individual studios, there really isn't a lot on the parent website or even on the individual local studio websites that hone in on I Love Kickboxing's niche focus and what sets them apart from their competition. So if a user is looking for that, that is a little difficult to find on the site. So that's something that might turn a user off and have them go elsewhere. So what could be done to fix these things? Definitely want to add a navigation button that focuses on I Love Kickboxing's niche product, which is the camaraderie of the studios, the studio events, the focus on the overall health and wellness of the patron, just different little things that set them apart from your traditional gyms or workout studios. So they definitely want to add a link or a navigation. If not on the parent site, then when you go to the local site, instead of just having a blank general type of description, definitely want to have something about that niche focus so the right users are getting our target audience is getting to the site and we're attracting the right audience. Definitely want to clean up that video error so that doesn't turn users off about the rest of the site as they're navigating. Like I said, more information on the actual local studios when you type in Winter Park, Florida, or whatever city you're located in, have something specific come up, maybe studio pictures of the local instructors, local kickboxing patrons, maybe local events, something to kind of set us apart or set I Love Kickboxing apart from the competition to draw in that correct target audience that we want to buy into our product. So that's pretty much it for this presentation on navigation and information sent for the I Love Kickboxing website. Hope you enjoyed it and were able to decipher a little bit more about I Love Kickboxing's website navigation.